COVID-19 started at Wuhan, China, had spread to the whole world since then, multiplying its cases within days. We all know what's been happening since we now live in it, but what we don't know is what it does to our body. So the severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, or coronavirus, is a respiratory disease, mostly spread through droplets or fomite transmission, either to your mouth, nose, or even eyes. From then on, the virus reaches your lungs, and the conquest begins. Our lungs, and most of our body parts, are covered with a protective layer of epithelial cells. The corona infects them by connecting to a specific receptor on the cell's membranes and injects their genetic material. From here, they act like any other viruses do. They multiply, until the cell is full of corona, and it self-destructs, releasing more of them to infect more cells. Thing is, the corona stores its gene in the RNA, so mutation occurs quite often, and this is why the corona is hard to deal with. Their changes make them unrecognizable. Now, you're under attack. What would your body do? Of course it fights back. The immune cells are controlled by a signal protein called the cytokines, but the corona infects it, and what happens is, it not only wastes all your immune cells to the lung, but also confuses your immune system. When it comes to the two main killers of the immune system, things are a bit weird. The neutrophil is a killer. It releases an enzyme that destroys the virus, and the killer T cell commands infected cells to commit suicide. But then, they start treating everyone equal. Imagine an army of thousands of men, extinguished to terminate zombies outside the wall, return as zombies inside the wall. Same as your lungs. As more immune cells arrive, more is confused, and more damages your lung tissue, leaving permanent, unhealable damages, and in extreme cases, the epithelial layer might be gone, exposing your lung to bacteria attacks. Containing this warfare, your body will go through symptoms as well, including dry cough or fever. Of course, in most cases, the immune system takes back control, or never loses control, and recovery begins. But because all the immunity was concentrated to your lungs for a certain period of time, your body would have been in a defenseless state, which lets tons of bacteria to come into your body and multiply. In this case, you'd be a cold bacteria incubator. So what can we do to prevent this from happening? Well, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what we have to do. We've been living through this. Washing hands is the key. Remember, fomite transmission, masks, they at least keep your germs to yourself. And social distancing. Don't take a chance of infection. Stay home, stay safe.